So this tutorial will be how to use MIT's Scratch for use in animation. So this is the Scratch homepage, and to get started, you just come over here and click the cat that says try it out. Just give it a click. And if you check our YouTube channel or our website, we have a whole series of how to use Scratch and how it all works if you want to check that out at all. And there's also a tutorial from MIT that's just here, but we're going to X that for now. Alright, so for animation, the most important block is in the Looks tab here, and it's just this next costume block. Because animating with Scratch is all just going through costumes your sprites have. For example, if you click on the Costumes tab, you can see the cat has these two costumes. And I'll be showing you two different ways to animate the sprites that come in Scratch. One will be walking and the other one will be dancing. Alright, so to get started, we'll start with the walking animation. So right click on the cat and click delete. And then come down here to where it says new sprite and click on this one, choose sprite from library. And to start out, we're just going to go down and use this one, boy walking. So double click that. Alright, so as I talk about in my other Scratch videos, to start out a script you always need to start with an event, and you need to have clicked on the sprite you want to use. In this case we only have one sprite, so it's easy and it's already selected. So go to event, and we're going to add two of these ones. And we're going to make this one correspond to the right arrow, and we're going to make this one correspond to the left arrow. Alright, and then we're going to go into looks and add that next costume block to both of them. So you can just drag the blocks over, and when it highlights it white like that, you can release, and it'll attach it to each script. And when the computer reads this, it's just going to read it from the top to the bottom. Alright, so now you can see if we hit the right arrow or the left arrow, it goes through the costumes and animates your sprite. But we want it to actually move, so go to the Motion tab here and add move 10 spaces to this script and release. And then move it over to this one as well. But we want the left arrow to make it go backwards, so click on that 10 and change it to -10. Alright, now you can see when you click the right arrow it walks forward, and if you click the left arrow he walks backwards. Excellent, so that's how you can animate it to walk by controlling it with your arrow keys. Alright, so we're going to right click now and go to delete, and I'll show you how to make one dance. So again, go to that pick from library and just double click on hip hop. Alright, so the event we're going to start with for this one will be this flag event. You can drag it over and release. And then we'll add that next costume. As you can see, the costumes are several different dance positions, so when you animate it, it'll look like it's dancing. Alright, but for this one, we'll also need to add a control structure called a loop. In this case, the forever one right here. If you bring it over, it'll just eat that next costume block. So now whatever is inside the loop will repeat forever. In this case, next costume. So we can take this whole block now and stick it onto this one. And if we hit the flag, he starts to dance. But as you can see, he's moving much too fast. So we'll grab another control block, this wait block, and we'll click on the 1 and change it to 0.2. So that will add a 0.2 second wait before each next costume change. So if we hit it again, now it looks a little bit closer to actual dancing. We can hit stop, And that's how you use Scratch to animate the sprites to either dance or walk around. You can see more videos on our YouTube channel or our website. And if you're interested, the whole series of how to use Scratch is on our website or our YouTube channel. Excellent. Thanks for watching.